if you're like, I'm not going to read a book like that, I'm not into wellness. Well, I'm going to say anyone who snores out there. And if you don't think you snore, ask someone you love if you snore. And if you snore, you need to read the book. We're doing all these things and you might need that CPAP machine. You might not. And he gives a lot of remedies. And I've had family members, I've had veterans, I've had detective law enforcement people try it. And they're like, it's unbelievable, but it works. And some of them seem so silly.